Hey Fred, yeah, the newer version, definitely we're going to use it for the larger crossings now. Less amp draw versus the other one. The other one will be good for the 2.5 inch that we have, the smaller version for the crossings. So sorry for the shake. Basically I had them running all night, and basically you can see what we'll have. So definitely better on and off now versus the other one I sent you the video. So as soon as it turns on, it actually doesn't hesitate and has that kind of delay, so it acts more of the real railroad crossings now. So definitely it's a better system. I'm glad we did the update now. So it'll be for all the larger ones that we'll be doing, and then the smaller versions will work the same. This timer system, how should I say, has a dual adjustables now. So if you want the red lights to stay on a little bit longer each cycle, you can adjust that, and then you can adjust the cycle for the flashing, alternating. So you get it to almost or exactly like the real railroad crossings now. I kind of like this newer system, so I'll have that option available for other people if they want it.